Hi, it's Carol from Needlework Tips and Techniques. I'd like to show you how to work stem stitch. I've put my fabric into an embroidery hoop to keep it firm and taut, and I've attached the hoop to my Lowry stand. Hopefully that will keep things steady throughout the video. I've threaded the needle with a single strand of floss. Working in a hoop in this way enables me to use the stab stitch method. As its name suggests, stem stitch is ideal for stems or other thin lines within an embroidery design. It can also be used in multiple lines side by side to fill an area. It is important to always keep your thread on the same side of the needle. When working tight curves, keep your stitches nice and small. You can make them longer when you're going down straight sections of a design. Bring your needle out through the back of the fabric and insert it a little bit further along. Then bring it back out halfway in between those 2 points. Then pull the thread through. Do the same again. Push the needle down, stitch length ahead, and bring it back up about halfway along where the stitch before went down. Then pull the thread through. And keep repeating that process. At this point, I've speeded the video up for you slightly. You can read more about working this stitch and others on my site, needleworktipsandtechniques.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I do hope you take the time to subscribe. And also, if you click on the little bell icon, you can be notified next time I upload a stitching video. Bye for now.